Have you ever felt heavy inside, without knowing why? You're not alone. We all carry emotional pain, from past experiences, stress, heartbreak, or even unspoken thoughts. But where does this pain go? It doesn't disappear. It settles in your body's energy centers, your chakras. So, if it gets settled inside your body, then how to remove it? Here, our emotional blockage chakra treatment comes into picture. But now you must be thinking, what is emotional blockage chakra treatment? Emotional blockage chakra treatment is a powerful healing process that helps release the stuck emotional energy inside your body. We work with your 7 main chakras, each linked to your emotions, health, and mindset, to unblock, balance, and activate them. Now, the question is, what techniques do we use? At World Happiness School, we combine 1. Breathwork, to open up energy flow. 2. Guided meditation, to connect with trapped emotions. 3. Reiki energy healing, to restore balance and calm. 4. Sound therapy, using vibrations to clear energetic blocks. 5. Body scanning and affirmations, to bring self-awareness and emotional release. Now the question is, what are the benefits? It has the following benefits. Feel lighter and emotionally free. Let go of anxiety, fear, and self-doubt. Improve sleep, focus, and inner peace. Strengthen immunity and physical vitality. Reconnect with your true self and purpose. Now the question is, who is it for? If you feel stuck, emotionally drained, overreactive, or simply off balance, this healing is for you. You don't need any experience, just a willingness to heal. So, are you ready to clear what's holding you back? Emotional blockage. Chakra treatment is not just therapy. It's a journey to your inner peace. Heal from within. Transform your energy. And live joyfully.